Prairie dogs, often regarded as charming inhabitants of the North American grasslands, are fascinating creatures with a complex social structure and a significant ecological role. Despite their small size, they play a crucial role in maintaining the health and biodiversity of their habitats. In this video, we delve into the world of prairie dogs, exploring their ecology, behavior, interactions with other species, and the conservation challenges they face. Ecology. Prairie dogs are burrowing rodents belonging to the genus Cynomys, and they are native to the grasslands of North America. They primarily inhabit the prairies, plains, and grasslands of the central and western United States, as well as parts of Mexico and Canada. These herbivorous rodents are highly social animals, living in large colonies called towns or villages. One of the most remarkable features of prairie dogs is their extensive burrow systems. These burrows serve as their homes, providing shelter from predators and extreme weather conditions. Prairie dog burrows can be quite elaborate, with multiple entrances, chambers for nesting, and tunnels extending several meters underground. Behavior. Prairie dogs exhibit complex social behaviors within their colonies. They live in family groups known as coteries, which typically consist of a dominant male, several females, and their offspring. Each coterie defends a territory within the larger colony, marked by scent glands and vocalizations. Communication is essential among prairie dogs, and they use a variety of vocalizations, body postures, and gestures to convey messages such as alarm calls to warn of predators or to coordinate group activities. Studies have shown that prairie dogs have sophisticated communication systems that allow them to convey information about the type and location of threats. Prairie dogs are also known for their characteristic jump yip display, where they stand upright and emit a series of high-pitched calls while jumping repeatedly. This behavior serves multiple functions, including territorial defense, mate attraction, and social bonding within the colony. Interactions with other species. Prairie dogs are keystone species in their ecosystems, meaning they have a disproportionate impact on their environment compared to their abundance. Their burrowing activities create microhabitats that benefit a wide range of other species, including burrowing owls, black-footed ferrets, and numerous grassland birds. These animals often use abandoned prairie dog burrows for nesting, shelter, and protection from predators. However, prairie dogs also face challenges from certain species, such as coyotes, badgers, and various raptors, which prey on them. Additionally, they compete with livestock for forage resources, leading to conflicts with ranchers and agricultural interests in some areas. Conservation challenges. Despite their ecological importance, prairie dogs face numerous threats to their survival, including habitat loss, fragmentation, poisoning, disease, and shooting. Historically, prairie dog populations have declined significantly due to habitat conversion for agriculture, urban development, and the extermination efforts of early settlers who viewed them as pests. One of the most significant conservation challenges facing prairie dogs is the loss and degradation of their native grassland habitats. As grasslands continue to be converted to cropland or urban areas, prairie dog colonies are fragmented and isolated, making them more vulnerable to predation and disease. Furthermore, prairie dogs are often targeted for eradication by landowners and government agencies due to concerns about their impact on agriculture and the spread of diseases such as bubonic plague. Poisoning campaigns using toxicants like zinc phosphide have been widely employed to control prairie dog populations, resulting in unintended consequences for non-target species and ecosystem health. Conservation efforts. Efforts to conserve prairie dogs and their grassland habitats have gained momentum in recent years, driven by growing recognition of their ecological importance and the need to preserve biodiversity in the face of ongoing threats. Conservation organizations, government agencies, researchers, and local communities are working together to develop strategies for protecting prairie dog populations and restoring their habitats. One key conservation approach is the establishment of protected areas and conservation easements to preserve remaining grassland habitats and create corridors for prairie dog movement and dispersal. These efforts aim to maintain connectivity between prairie dog colonies and promote genetic diversity within populations. Additionally, initiatives to mitigate conflicts between prairie dogs and landowners are underway, including the development of non-lethal methods for managing prairie dog populations and promoting coexistence between ranching operations and wildlife conservation. Overall, prairie dogs are integral components of North American grassland ecosystems, playing vital roles in ecosystem dynamics, soil health, and biodiversity. Understanding their ecology, behavior, and conservation challenges is essential for developing effective strategies to ensure their long-term survival. By conserving prairie dogs and their habitats, we not only protect a charismatic species but also safeguard the health and resilience of entire grassland ecosystems for future generations. It is through collaborative efforts and innovative approaches that we can secure a brighter future for these iconic rodents and the diverse array of species that depend on them. Thank you for watching. We hope you know a lot about prairie dogs.